Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another lecture. In today's lecture we are going to start our unit number 4, which is teachers training, and it has 4 basic subtopics. These are pre-service training, trainings at elementary level, which is divided into role of DCTs and role of rights. Then 4.3 training at secondary level, which is also divided in 2 parts, which is role of IERs and roles of colleges of education. Then in service training, which is role of IERs and role of B.Ed. So without any further delay, we are going to start our next unit. Number 1, 4.1, which is pre-service teacher training, and we are going to start our unit. Pre-service teacher training in Pakistan refers to the education and training programs that aspiring teachers undergoing before they enter the teaching profession. This training is crucial for preparing individuals with the necessary knowledge and skills to become effective educators. Here's an overview of pre-service teacher training programs in Pakistan. Number 1 is educational qualification. To be eligible for pre-service teacher training, individuals typically need to have completed their higher secondary education, which includes grade 11 and grade 12. Then bachelor's of education, which is B.Ed. B.Ed program are one of the most common pre-service teacher training options in Pakistan. B.Ed programs typically have a duration of 1 to 2 years and are offered by universities and teacher education colleges. These programs focus on pedagogical techniques, educational psychology, classroom management, curriculum development, subject specialization, and practical teaching experiences. Then we discuss subject specialization. Pre-service teacher training program emphasized subject specialization for secondary level teachers. Prospective secondary school teachers choose a specific subject like mathematics, science, English, and receive in-depth training in that subject area. Then Masters in Education, which is M.Ed. Some individuals may pursue a Master's in Education M.Ed degree as part of their pre-service teacher training. M.Ed program typically provide a deeper understanding of educational theory and research and may include coursework in curriculum design, assessment, and educational leadership. Then teacher training institutions. Specialized teacher training institutions and colleges offer pre-service teacher training programs. These institutions are responsible for providing aspiring teachers with the knowledge and skills needed for classroom teaching. Then practical training. Pre-service teacher training programs often include practical teaching experiences, internships, or student teaching in schools. These allow aspiring teachers to apply what they have learned in real classroom setting. Then curriculum and assessment. Training programs are designed to align with national and provincial education curriculum standards, ensuring that aspiring teachers are familiar with the content they will teach. Then assessment and certification. After completion their pre-service training, individuals may need to pass certification exams or to meet other assessment criteria set by provincial or regional education authorities to become eligible for teaching positions. Then language proficiency. Prospective teachers are often required to demonstrate proficiency in the medium of instruction, either it is Urdu or English, depending on the language used in the school where they plan to teach. Then licensing and employment. To work as teacher in Pakistan, individuals need to obtain teaching licenses and certifications from the relevant educational authorities. After completing their pre-service training and meeting the necessary requirements, they can apply for teaching posts in public and private schools. It's important to note that the structure and requirement of pre-service teacher training authority may have its own policies and standards for teacher training and certification. Therefore, individuals interested in becoming teaching should consult the specific education authorities or institutions in their area for the most current and accurate information regarding pre-service teacher training in Pakistan.